Welcome to the Airborne Defender channel. In this video we will watch the tense actions of the Military Police Brigade and Air Defense Artillery carry out airborne operations. Airborne operations carried out by the Military Police Brigade, PM, and Air Defense Artillery, APU, is a military activity that involves coordination between two important units in the Indonesian National Army, TNI, namely the Military Police and Air Defense Artillery. This operation aims to carry out complex security and defense tasks, emphasizing speed, precision, as well as the use of high technology in the face of air threats. The Army Military Police Brigade has a leading role in law enforcement in the military environment. His duties include the enforcement of discipline, supervision of military regulations, as well as the maintenance of order among soldiers. In the context of airborne operations, the PM Brigade acts as a force that ensures the safety and smooth running of operations. They are also in charge of organizing and supervising the personnel involved, as well as ensuring that no violations occur during the execution of the operation. In airborne operations, PM brigades are usually responsible for providing security forces in the landing area, overseeing the course of logistics, as well as managing the area around the landing point of the troops. They can also intervene if there is a potential threat from outside parties or internal interference.
You walk through the gate, get accountability, make sure you're checked in, and then we push out to security.
Air Defense Artillery is a unit tasked with protecting airspace from enemy threats, such as warplanes, helicopters, and missiles. In airborne operations, Air Defense Artillery plays an important role in keeping airborne troops from being attacked by enemy air threats. APUs use a variety of advanced weapons systems, such as radar systems, missiles, and anti-aircraft guns to detect and destroy threats coming from the sky. Airborne operations require support from the APU to ensure that no airborne interference endangers troops carrying out landings or movements. Airborne operations are part of a combined operation that involves the movement of troops or logistics using aircraft, be it transport aircraft or helicopters. This operation is carried out with the aim of moving troops and equipment to terrain that is difficult to reach by land vehicles, such as mountainous areas or remote islands. Airborne operations require careful planning, coordination between various elements, as well as fast and efficient implementation. The PM and APU brigades played an important role in ensuring the smooth running of this operation. The PM unit will manage the personnel transfer process, supervise landing points, and ensure security in the newly landed area. Meanwhile, the APU will provide protection support from possible air threats, keeping the troops able to conduct operations without interruption. In the implementation of airborne operations, some of the main tasks and responsibilities that must be carried out by PM brigades are to maintain order and security during operations, including ensuring that there is no potential for sabotage or interference from irresponsible parties. The task of maintaining airspace sovereignty is to mitigate potential threats from the air, such as enemy aircraft or missiles that can attack troops, and provide real-time air cover using radar systems and anti-aircraft weapons. Airborne operations involving PM and APU brigades have several advantages that are important for the smooth running of military tasks, including that troops can be quickly moved to hard-to-reach locations, thus shortening the time required to respond to threats or crises. Airborne operations involving military police brigades and air defense artillery illustrate the importance of cooperation between units in carrying out complex military missions. The integration of tasks between the security forces, PM brigades, and air defense, APUs, provides much-needed protection and smooth operations in the face of emergency situations or threats coming from various directions. Thus, airborne operations can be one of the key strategies in maintaining the sovereignty and security of the country. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.